Hello all. So in this video we are going to see how to monitor a specific service that is run by a host. But first let's explore the localhost services. So let's see the etc Nagios 3 confd and then localhost. So the service definition began by define services and an opening braces and it's ending by a closing brace. The use directive is calling a template just as the host definition. So let's see the template. So the directives are pretty much the same as the host, and then we are calling the host name. This is used to link between the host declaration and the command, and then the check command is calling the plugin. So the service definition is linking between the host and the command. Then in its turn, the command is calling a plugin. So to see what is exactly this command, check all this command, we need to go to /etc Nagios plugins conf and let's grep for check all disk. So it's reside in disk.cfg. So let's open it. So the check all this command is calling this plugin with the first argument being the warning threshold and the second argument being the critical threshold. So let's see again the localhost services. So the first argument is 20%. This is the warning threshold, and the second argument is the critical threshold. With that said, so let's create a new services for the Windows machine we have just created. So what I have done is that I've installed an FTP server on my Windows machine in order to monitor it. So what I'll do is I'll just copy one of these services so I can use it as a template and edit it. And then I'll open my Windows CFG and I'll paste it. So here the host name will be my Windows host. So this is the way we link between the service and the host. The check command will be the check FTP. I need to check that. So let's save and I'll come back. So let's say the command name. Nagios plugins conf and then should be in the FTP search. So the command name is check FTP. It will retrieve the host address from the host definition, so no need to do that for now. And if you recall, the one more important thing that you need to do is to manually check your plugins before running them. So I'll check the plugin manually to see whether it's working. FTP -h and then the IP address of my Windows machine, and it seems that's working. So I'll just copy the command name to use it in my service. Nano windows.cfg, and in the command name I'll just call the check FTP without arguments. So, and also I'll change the service description. I will call it FTP stages. Now we should be good to go. We'll run our pre-flight check, Nagios -v, and then the main configuration file. So no warning, no errors. So we should now restart the service Nagios 3 restart. So let's go to the web interface and see if you can see the status of our FTP server from the web interface. So let's see the services now. So the FTP status is pending. I'll force the check, commit, so now the status is okay. So this is how we configure new services. So I hope this video was informative for you, and see you in the next video.